everyone, I am Varshni Shree from class 8A. Today I am going to present everyone my PPT on artificial intelligence. Introduction to AI. Actually is artificial intelligence. Here's what you'll know about artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is intelligence demonstrated by humans, unlike the natural intelligence displayed by humans and animals, which involves consciousness and emotionality. AI is also a wide-ranging branch of computer science concerned with building smart machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. This term may also be applied to any machine that exhibits traits associated with the human mind, such as learning and problem solving. AI is the ability of a computer or a robot controlled by a computer to do tasks that are usually done by humans because they require human intelligence and discernment. The basic objective of AI is to enable some tasks like decision making, problem solving, perception, understanding human communication in any language and translate it among them. The domains of AI. There are three domains of AI. The first is data. Second is computer vision. Third is natural language processing, or also known as NLP. Data. Audio, video and textual information comes under data. Computer vision, face recognition, CBIR, smart interaction and environment perception comes under computer vision. Natural language processing. Analyzing different aspects of language and text planning. Or data. If a person thinks of automate any system or want a report or analysis of customers' feedback, data is required. For example, taking students' daily attendance, we need data of students like class, roll number, GR number, subject, etc. Student name. Data can be the backbone of AI. Almost 98% of AI systems are dependent on data. As system development grows on, processing of data also increases. This data can be in any form: textual information, audio, video, big data like predictions, insights, forecasts, decision making, etc. Computer vision. Let's see about computer vision. Computer vision is a field of artificial intelligence that enables computers and any system to derive meaningful information from digital images, videos, and other inputs. And then it takes actions or makes recommendations based on that information. Like when you ask a question to any digital assistant, it gathers the information that was being stored and presents it to us. Manufacturers such as Tesla, BMW, Volvo, and Audi use multiple cameras, radars, and ultrasonic to acquire images from the environment so that their self-driving cars can detect objects like lane marking, signs, and traffic signals to drive safely. Let's see about natural language processing. NLP is a branch of artificial intelligence that studies how machines understand human language. Its goal is to build systems that can make sense of text and perform tasks like translation, grammar checking, or topic classification. NLP. Natural language processing is a subfield of linguistics, computer science, and artificial intelligence concerned with the interactions between computers and human language. It shows in particular how to program computers to process and analyze large amounts of natural language data. It's a technology that many people are used daily, has been around for years, but it often takes for granted. Example: spell check, autocomplete, email classification. See about what contributes to AI. Let's see. Yes, AI contributes to many subjects like computer science, psychology, neuroscience, biology, maths, sociology, and philosophy. How does AI work? Here is how AI works. AI works by combining large amounts of data with fast and interactive processing and intelligent algorithms, allowing the software to learn automatically from patterns or features in the data. Building an AI system is a careful process of reverse engineering human traits and capability in a machine using its computational powers of surpass what we are capable of. To understand how AI actually works, one needs to dive into various subdomains that could be applied into the various fields of the industry. There are two types of learning in AI. In AI, we have two types of learning, which is the first one is machine learning and the second one is deep learning. Let's see more about machine learning. Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence and computer science which focuses on the use of data and algorithms to imitate the way that humans learn. It is gradually improving its accuracy. Machine learning is an important component of growing field of data science. Machine learning teaches a machine how to make inferences and decisions based on a past experience. It also identifies patterns, analyzes past data to infer the meanings of these data points to reach a possible conclusion by evaluating data, and saves the human time for business and helps them make a better decision. Machine learning is actually based on the idea that machines should be able to learn and adapt to experience. See about deep learning. Deep learning is an AI function that mimics the workings of a human brain in processing of data for use in detecting objects, recognizing speech, translation of languages, and making decisions. It teaches a machine on how to process inputs through layers in order to classify, infer, and predict the outcome. Deep learning is able to learn without human supervision, drawing from the data that is both unconstructed and enabled. Deep learning is a branch of machine learning that uses neural networks with many layers. A deep neural network analyzes data with learned representations similarly to the way a person would look at a problem. The term deep learning refers to the neural networks having many layers that enable learning. Neural networks work on the similar principles as of human neural cells. They are a series of algorithms that captures the relationship between various underlying variables. Let's see about strong AI versus weak AI. Strong AI. Strong artificial intelligence also known as Artificial General Intelligence (AGI) or General AI, is a theoretical form of AI used to describe a certain mindset of AI development. If researchers are able to develop strong AI, the machine will require an intelligence equal to humans. It will have a self-aware consciousness that has the ability to solve problems, learn and plan for the future. Strong AI aims to create intelligent machines that are indistinguishable from the human mind. While AI reaches in both researchers in both academia and private sectors are invested in the creation of artificial general AI, it only exists today as a theoretical concept versus a tangible reality. While some individuals like Marvin Minsky has been quoted as being overly optimistic in what we could accomplish in a few decades in the field of AI, others would say that strong AI systems cannot even be developed. But I think strong AIs can be developed in the upcoming years. About weak AI. Weak AI, also called as narrow AI or artificial narrow intelligence (ANI), is AI trained and focused to perform specific tasks. Weak AI drives most of the AI that surrounds us today. Weak AI simulates human cognition in which potential to benefit society by atomic time consuming tasks and by analyzing data in ways that humans sometimes can't. Narrow might be more accurate description for this type of AI as it is nothing but weak. It enables some very robust applications such as Apple Siri, Amazon's Alexa, IBM's Watson, and autonomous vehicles. Weak AI can only predict specific characteristics that resemble human intelligence. Let's see the advantages and disadvantages of AI. Advantages of AI. The first advantages of AI is reduction in human error. As humans are prone to make errors, AI-powered tools can be a powerful solution to reduce the possibility of such errors. AI can automate certain tasks in business and handle them without any distraction. This enables error rates to decrease and saves companies from additional costs that are caused by these errors. Takes risk instead of humans. AI takes risk instead of humans in dangerous jobs to help in some jobs that humans can't find solutions for. An example, a Chernobyl nuclear power plant explosion in Ukraine on Saturday, 26 April 1986. There was no AI at that time. AI can be used for hazard situations like these. Available 24/7. AI operates 24/7 without interruption or breaks and has no downtime. AI augments the capability of differently abled individuals, and AI has mass market potential. It can be developed across the industries, and AI facilitates decision making by making the process faster and smarter. Digital Assistant. Some digital assistants like Google Assistant, Apple Siri, Amazon's Alexa, IBM's Watson, etc. can be useful for daily life or ask some questions to it, but it can only answer program questions. Faster decisions. AI can do faster decisions like while playing chess or while thinking for a solution. AI can find solutions and can make decisions faster than humans. Helping in repetitive jobs. Humans at a point get tired or bored of their work, but AI could go through these situations. One of the benefits of AI for business is that it handles repetitive jobs across an organization. so that employees can focus on creative solutions, complex problem solving, and impactful work. One example of that is chatbots. New inventions. AI in healthcare has been developed through the world in many appliances. Example, virtual reality or AR, MR or VR in healthcare, precision medicine, etc. like these. Now let's see about the disadvantages of AI. One of the disadvantages of AI is that it is high cost of creation. It is no wonder that it is so expensive to produce AI. In comparison, custom AI solutions cost anywhere from $6,000 to over $300 lakh. This price tag includes development and rollout. Ongoing AI services like for consulting generally cost less and depend on the consultant's hourly fee. Or most AI consultants charge from $200 to $350 per hour. Making humans lazy. AI assistants are not people, and each interaction of your child has been with them based on a sea of data. Letting your child interact with them for a young age can stunt their social and emotional development. Aside from that, voice assistants can make children lazy in doing schoolwork. Unemployment. With 36 million unemployed in US today, can AI also create jobs? Yes, the World Economic Forum in 2020 forecasted a strong increase in AI jobs globally over the next 2 years. With new jobs per 10,000 opportunities increasing from 78 today to 123 in 2022. Let's see about some more disadvantages of AI, like no emotions. While robots that can perform tasks for humans are incredibly useful in society, in creating robots capable of more complex thought and feelings of more emotions is unnecessary and could result in controversy over robotic rights, and could potentially lead to human demise if the laws of robotics were overcome. Lacking out-of-box thinking. AI which are there right now cannot do out-of-box thinking and only answers the questions or doubts for which answers are already programmed. Example, when you ask Alexa or Siri some out-of-box questions, it just says that it can't understand what you're saying. History of AI or AI timeline. In this image, you will be able to clearly know about the AI timeline. In 1950 was the Turing test. 1955 in which the AI was born. 1961 Unimate. 1964 Eliza. 1966 Shaky. And then came AI Winter. You might wonder, what is AI Winter? AI winter is that when AI machines are produced, but still they came into a failure. That's when happened. 1997 Deep Blue. 1998 Kismet. 1999 Aibo. 2002 Roomba. 2011 Siri. 2011 Watson. 2014 Eugene. 2014 Alexa. 2016 Tay. 2017 AlphaGo. Thanks. Thank you for taking time and listening to my PPT. Thank you.